Coming up on today's Panther Beat.
Model UN meets today in the Smiley IMC.
And O'Fallon Parks and Rec is hosting their seasonal job fair.
Your Panther Beat starts now.
What's up, O'Fallon? I'm Dahlia.
And I'm Tess, and this is your Panther Beat for Thursday, January 15th.
Who needs a job? And the O'Fallon Parks and Rec department is hiring.
Attend the job fair on Thursday, January 22nd from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. in the Oak Room. Learn about both spring and summer positions.
If you're good at makeup and have an eye for design, join the crew for The Little Mermaid. Visit the OTHS Theater website to fill out an application. Email Miss Knipp with any questions.
Now let's pass it over to Tyler with your Panther Sports.
Hey O'Fallon, I'm Colton with your Panther Sports. Congratulations to our boys bowling team on their 15th consecutive conference title. This is the youngest team in OTHS history to win the conference title, and the team competes this weekend in regionals. Congratulations, boys. Girls basketball smashed West on their court. The final score was 64-17. That's nuts, ladies. Way to go. Unfortunately, the boys basketball team lost 54-43. Good fight, boys. Keep up the good work. Congratulations to our girls Western wrestlers. Edison last earned second team all-conference with a second place finish in the Southwest Conference tournament. Scarlett Gentili and Carmen Russell captured fourth. Your wrestling team heads off to East St. Louis for a match against the Flyers, and the girls basketball team takes off the Lancers away at Belleville East at 7:30. Good luck to all of our traveling teams. And good luck to all of our sports teams. Now over to the birthdays.
Thanks, guys. I'm Kel with your birthdays for Thursday, January 15th. Happy birthday for today goes out to Matthew Chaplin, Savannah Spencer, and Scarlett Spencer. Thanks for celebrating their birthdays with us Panthers. Now back over to the news desk.
And now for your club news.
If you'd like to join Model UN, come to the resolution writing session today in the Smiley IMC. Email Mrs. Turner with questions. The first chemistry club meeting of the new semester is this Friday in room 811. Everyone is welcome.
Threads Club meets today after school in room 1024. You'll discuss upcoming projects and learn new stitching and designs. Snacks and supplies are provided. Sign Language Club will meet this Friday after school in the Smiley IMC until 3:50 p.m. Contact Miss Adams if you have any questions.
Key Club meets next Thursday, January 22nd in room 412. You will have a very special guest speaker, the Illinois Lieutenant Governor. As always, there will be snacks. Email Key Club leadership or Miss Hubler with any questions. Treat Yourself Club meets next Tuesday, January 20th to discuss plans for the semester. Enjoy a discussion on mental health and pizza.
And in eSports news, Marvel Rivals trials are today online. Email Coach Christensen for any questions. That's it for today, O'Fallon.
For up-to-date news, videos, and more, head over to our Panther Beat YouTube channel.